I'm going to make for you the Canada Crookneck lentil curry soup. Hi, I'm Megan Garrettson. We're here on Wood Prairie Family Farm, right in the kitchen. I'm going to make for you the Canada Crookneck lentil curry soup today. This is one of my last Canada Crooknecks. He's a little soft, but I think he's done a good job keeping through the winter. Beautiful, beautiful orange color on those. And I'm gonna take, you can cook the whole thing, but I'm just gonna take these 2 pieces is all I need. So you can, with this Canada Crookneck, you can either peel it or cook it with the peel on and then just peel that off later after you take it out of the cooker. I store my squash upstairs by a window where it's really nice and cool. It's dry and cool. They're going right in the pot along with a red onion, you can use a red onion or a yellow onion. I am just going to quarter that and throw it right in. It's going to get a pint of chicken stock and a half a cup of lentils and a good pinch of salt. So this is going to cook for 10 or 20 minutes in the pressure cooker, and then it'll be ready to blend up with your hand blender to make a really creamy soup. We'll set that right to pressure cook at 10 minutes. You can set the pressure cooker going first thing in the morning and leave for work and come back to a delicious soup at lunchtime. We've already cut up the squash and the onion and put the lentils and some nice stock in our pressure cooker. So now it's all cooked, and we're going to go in and add a little salt, and a little curry powder. About a tablespoon of curry powder. And then we'll go in with our immersion blender and blend that all up into a nice soup. So we're going to go in with our immersion blender and blend that all together. That is a really delicious soup. It's good for lunch with homemade bread. I believe the Canada crookneck is one of the ancestors of the butternut squash, and so that's why this makes such a nice squash soup.